Technical Corner today, joined by Leigh Tricklebank from Fastems. You should know, or if you don't know, it's all about automation. Two things straight away though. Misconceptions, mysteries it might be, and engineers are being educated and learning all the time about automation. But correct me if I'm wrong, educate me. I've got legacy machines I can't automate. My spindles are turning, and I know they're turning at 70% capacity, or they're on all the time, 70%. Those two statements in.
Probably the first introduction I have to any business is that I'm looking to automate, Leigh, but I'm already getting a lot out of my machines, and actually I need to buy new machine tools if I'm going to automate. And both these are misconceptions. When we study what a 3, 4, 5 axis machine, a grinding machine's doing with a typical cycle time of 30-40 minutes, you're getting 40 to 50% maximum spindle on time there.
Just to reiterate, 30 to 40%. No, but I'm an engineer. I know my spindle's running at 50, 60, well, 78%.
Sure, but you're only making money when you're cutting chips.
Right.
And you're not making money when you're cutting chips to put it in the bin.
Okay. Well, this is great. I'm going to cut over here. Apologies, Leigh, but this is a great example. This is actually in now. I got it wrong. Look, it's Denmark. Is that correct? Yep. Kongsberg Automotive.
Yeah, this is a typical story that we receive from our customers. They had 4 Makino machines.
Yep.
High value, high performing machine tools, and
but they'd had them quite a while.
They'd had them quite a while. There was, I think, the oldest one was from 2008, and the idea was to increase productivity, to buy more spindles, buy more machines.
So the only way I was going to improve production is to buy more machines.
Yeah. So what we've done is we've gone in there and we've taken their existing assets, their existing software, and we've integrated it into a Fastems FMS. And now they've got higher performance, higher productivity, lower capital cost because we're using existing machines. And again, the operating costs and return on investments are incredible.
Okay, well, I mean, I'm blown away by that. So existing machine, I don't want to go over it all you said. So in terms of cycle time, does that come down?
No, cycle times are governed by the machine tool.
Right, okay.
But cycle times are important because of the utilisations of the system. But we have customers that have cycle times in 2 or 3 minutes.
Yep.
And we have cycle times in 20, 30 hours.
Right, okay, that's a great point. Each machine shop is essentially different.
Each machine shop, each customer has a different requirement.
Okay, but is it going to be cost effective? Because I'm only doing batch runs of 1.
Batch size ones is the new manufacturing way, isn't it?
Right.
So our software facilitates batch size 1. Lots of changes within the system.
Okay, and then just in time as well.
Yeah, taking an order of a morning, getting it to the Fastems cell via the ERP interface or by manual data entry. Yep. Scheduling is done automatically. Dynamic scheduling is done automatically. Right. Resource management, and then let's get the job done on time.
Okay. This example here, KA, they've got 4 Makinos, and you have improved capacity, production, spindle times, so they are more productive. But I'm getting even more demand. Can I have more machines?
Yeah, I mean, we have systems with 10 machine tools on there. In fact, even more than that. So yeah, the limitation isn't Fastems. The limitations are your imagination.
Well, there you go. I mean, that's a great statement to end it on. Limitations of your imagination. Leigh, Fastems, automation, route to go. Anybody got any questions or just want to understand more, get in contact with yourself.
Thank you, Colin.